This is MATelec Australia's double-sided EVA foam tape, made for secure, consistent mounting across all kinds of surfaces. Coated on both sides with a strong, pressure-sensitive adhesive, it provides a firm, lasting hold for clean, concealed installs. It sticks to just about anything: metal, plastic, glass, wood, painted surfaces, making it ideal for a variety of mounting and installation jobs. The EVA foam backing cushions vibration and absorbs shock, so fixing stays steady even on uneven or textured surfaces. Simple peel and stick install, no tools, no mess, no cleanup, a real time saver on site. And as part of the MATelec WRAPPA Tape range, it adds a reliable double-sided option for everyday electrical and general purpose work. For mounting, sealing, or fixing jobs that need to stay put, stick with the best.